Hey everyone, it's Trainboy and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm back with Train Sim World, and this time, you remember last time I played Train Sim World, I played on the Caltrain thingy. But this time, I'm playing the Long Island Railroad thing. I'm starting to purchase some more trains, like the Caltrain and the Long Island Railroad thing, and probably once I get my own PC sometime soon. Well, I already do, but it's not ready yet. I can play Train Sim World CSX Heavy Haul probably, but I don't know yet. I'm probably gonna, and also on Minecraft, I'm gonna try and install a Minecraft mod called Traincraft. But yeah, well, I'm waiting for my train right now. So if we go to our map, I haven't shown a map before on here on Train Sim World. Oh, I think that's my train. See, there's our train. I think that is. Let me check back here if that train was stuck there. Okay, it isn't. So yeah, our train should be arriving very quick. So I need to check which track it's going to be on. Okay, it is flying. I do not know what track I should be on, but I'm going to go to track 1 first to check which track it's supposed to be on. Okay, I am on the wrong track right now, just to let you know. And wait a minute. Okay, I am going to go as fast as I can to the last track. If I can find it. Yeah, it's the last track. I can see it. I know it's over there. Yep, there's our train. Let me zoom in on it. There it is. Alright, here it comes. Here it goes. If I can zoom out, there we go. But here's our train. It's a little bit of rail fanning. Here come all the passengers. I'm going to let all these passengers off. And there are thousands of passengers that get off this train. But yeah, I'm clear. Mostly when I get on this train, there's like 1,000. But here are the doors, and these doors close automatically without me having to close them. You can tell. Alright, our train is about to leave, so I'm going to head over to this car. And here we go. There's the person that's driving the train. Here's the horn. There's not even a bell on this for some reason, I don't know why. Close my window. I'm riding in the locomotive, and as you can see, guys, here's another train. As you can see, we're about to pass it. This is the Long Island Railroad, or Metro North. I don't know really. It's somewhere around New York. Oh, that train's moving. Oh, I think we're approaching at full speed. So I'm going to go through the whole train. Wait. Hold on here, hold on. I have to roll down the blind here. That's better. I'm going to take you through the whole train. It's like I'm the conductor. Take it out, folks. These doors close automatically as well. Let's go all the way back. Oh, we're going on a curve, I can tell you. Well, sorry about the noise in the background. My father's talking to somebody. This is going fast, I can tell this. Oh yeah, it is flying. I'm going to make it to the back of the train. Jeez. As you can see, you can just zoom in on here and you can just get a very good, nice view of you flying down the tracks. You're going at full speed right now, as you can tell. And here we go over a bridge. I don't know what kind it is. It's better. So I'm gonna go back to the to the front of the train, the first car. That's so loud. Here's like the coach seats. But yeah. This is gonna be a really long episode. Don't mind the noise in the background, guys. Yeah, this is the end. Oh, we're approaching the station right now. So I better get welcome. You have arrived at your destination. Please take your seats until you get off. I'm going to make part 2 after this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye.